Hello everyone! Happy Saturday! We're going to visit our family. Ate Abby, the family of Gänsicke Family. Tingnan guys. My asawa is very snell. You're snell, honey? Dry say siksig.
You make fake info?
No. No, I'm not fake news. Do you know the fake news, honey?
Yeah, you said I'm driving very fast and I was only 60. That's fake news.
So, sorry na lang. Oh, fake news pala ako, guys. Marites.
And so it starts.
Honey, you know Marites is?
Yeah, so it starts. You start like a Marites and end like a Karen.
Karen. What is the Karen? Chismus? Karen. What is
I'm always right, you're wrong.
Karen? That's business. Karen is karma, honey. Ang weather dito guys is makulimlim but maaraw. Bulky? Ano siya? Dito banda is sunny, sunny days. Kamusta po ang lahat? Guys, mga mais. Ang daming tanim ritong corn. Halos. Minsan may dyan guys. We saw her there, no honey?
Yeah, it's a long time ago.
Yeah, we saw her this area. Ang dami guys. Siguro almost 10 family, sila, what they call that, honey, the one village, I think.
I heard. And I heard it.
In English?
I heard.
Heard. What? I don't know. I cannot.
You can correct me and write down below if I'm right or wrong.
Okay. Dito guys, parang hindi sila makatawid. Kaya, kasi nakasarado dyan. Andito, ang daming mga there. Talagang first time ko makakita ng napakarami. Isang barangay sila, isang village. Nag-harvest na sila ng mais. In-harvest na nila. After 3 times yata, bago nila panibago na naman tatanim. They change again another plants na, honey. Some spell this year is corn. The susunod na mga 3 years ibang itatanim na guys. Or kartoffel.
My wife becomes a farmer.
Farmer. I am a farmer before. I'm planting we just planting
You mean here?
not here. In Bisaya. We just like a baro the erde, what they call that?
Renting the ground.
Yeah, not renting somebody. Oh, you can borrow that. You can just clean and then you can plant vegetable, because we don't have ano, we are not the owner of the lot, because tatay is very poor and nanay also very poor.
And I'm very poor.
Our family is very poor. But happy. Are you happy, honey?
I will not clap my hands now. Oh, you don't know that song.
What's that clap? So happy.
Are you happy? Happy? Clap your hands.
So I don't know that song.
I also don't know it.
We have also that in Filipino. Kung ikaw ay masaya, tumawa ka. Ha? Kung ikaw ay masaya, buhay mo ay sisigla. Kung ikaw ay masaya, tumawa ka. Ha? Kung ikaw ay masaya, pumalakpak. Plak. Kung ikaw ay masaya. Honey, you're fun. Sorry guys, my husband is OA. He don't know how is happy I am.
Better OA than ER.
What's that ER?
The donkey?
Yeah. Malapit na kami guys. Ang ganda ng kabukiran. Ang kabukiran. Why here in Deutschland no guava? I want to see guava.
Maybe too cold.
Okay, only. Siguro kung may bayabas rito, napakarami kasi kung saan ang guava, anywhere he can grow out the guava, honey.
Well, you don't have guava here, but do you have a guapo here?
Who is the guapo?
Don't know. Bingo?
Oh, may asawa is guapo? Comment below guys if my asawa is guapo. Yeah, he is a guapo for my eyes. Oy. And I'm the pangit, the poogie and the beef.
You should not lie. You know what, maganda asawa.
No, you are lying.
Okay, sexy asawa.
Now you are really lying. Your auto is dirty. You need to clean.
Maybe you should clean it.
Huh?
It was clean before you step inside.
Ang ganda dito guys. Ayaw. Why you don't like, honey, when I'm singing? Kung my sun is shine.
You see not the rain clouds over there?
At least
Every time you sing, they come closer and closer. So guys, if you know somebody where they need rain, just hire my asawa. She sing for you.
Narinig nyo yun guys, may asawa, he is very bad to me. Ang ganda na ng mga kulay ng mga daan.
Don't
Hey.
distract me while I'm driving.
You're the one making funny, Gänsicke. Making fun face. Bisaya tuloy ako face. Gänsicke. Nagkakaroon na yung mga leaves, ano na, yellow, green. Malapit na silang mawala
You
ng
forgot the red
dahon.
ones.
Nanay told that always when she, Nanay first time here in Deutschland, in Germany, Nanay said, "Oh, why the tree is dead?" And we got laughing. Bakit daw mga patay yung ano, yung mga puno, sabi ni Nanay. Kasi walang mga dahon guys yung nakarating dito si Nanay nung first time. Puro mga ano lang, as in brown. Kaya tingin niya patay.
So, you can close now.
Thank you guys for joining us. Malapit na kami kila Ate Beth. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Sana napasaya ko kayo. Even my man is so funny. Have a blessed Saturday. Stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.